What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah? It's something?
It is something.
Are you ready to be working back in the Berg?
Not really, but this house is super cute. So if we're having to be here, working here, I think it's really cute. I can see the potential for sure, but it is right now, it's rough, babe.
You want to walk around it, or do you want to walk like through it?
Can you walk around it? There's a lot going on.
Well, if we walk through it, you got about 20 steps and then you're out the back door.
All right, yeah, we can walk around.
Walk around it? Okay, cool.
That's something.
Yeah.
I mean, like the whole house is like,
It's all right. I can probably push it back. It's not moving. I don't know what even kind of pipe is that. What kind of pipe just like naturally bends like that too?
Don't know.
I don't know either. And then they repaired it once, but I don't know, how does it get uphill?
Gets a running start. I got you to laugh?
That's
I'll high five on,
the water running, like get it? The water running?
So this whole thing's coming off, right? This back part?
Yeah.
So, but is the rest of the house like that?
No.
Okay, it's actual proper foundation?
Don't kick that because the house will fall.
All right, so we really did just walk around the whole house. That was quick.
That was it?
In 5 seconds.
Go inside?
Do I have to?
Yeah. Oh, they did a fantastic job.
Yeah, they got
getting this thing all clean.
Yikes. I mean, they did a good job, but holy moly, this is, yeah. So I really struggle with this floor plan because it is just like one big open space. And then since we're adding on to the back there, I was like, what does this become then? Because I didn't want to keep these walls necessarily, because I feel like that'll make it really small living kitchen dining area. You know what I mean?
Yeah, take a small house and make it smaller.
So all of this now will become living room, living space. All of these are down.
Mm-hmm.
So from right here on, this will be like the kitchen wall. So the kitchen, like stove will be here, I think.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna put that chair to good use. So like right when you walk in the front door, you'll see like the range and the kitchen, dining room, and then you'll have your hallway kind of maybe like start in this area.
It. And then a nice island there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good
where
job.
people can sit at. That was a quick walkthrough because there is no house here. It is just 700 square feet of love. Alrighty. This thing scares me still.
Why?
Guys, it's really janky.
Love this house. Oh, I got a duck here.
All right, so game plan.
All this area right here is gonna be new house.
So take this back part off.
Yeah, this thing's gotta go.
Fun. All right, ready to go?
I like it. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Some lunch.
I felt my hamstring now.
Do it again.
No, I felt my hamstring. Lunchtime's calling my name.